Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to stream on Kick using phone. First of all, open up the Kick app. After opening the app, tap on your profile icons from the bottom right corner. But as you can see, it doesn't have a settings option. Open up the web browser and search here kick.com. Now go into your profile from the bottom right corner. You can find settings here. Then click on the settings option. And go into stream URL and key from settings. Tap to create a Restream account. Then click to continue with Google in order to create your account. Now choose your Google account, then enter your channel URL, RTMP URL and stream key. Then click to add the channel. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.